how to find hidden apps on iOS 18. So if you have some application hidden on your iPhone and I want to find the hidden app so as to be able to bring them back to your iPhone home screen, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, when you want to find hidden app on your iPhone, all you just need to do is swipe on the app screen like this until you get to the app library. Then on the app library, you have different categories or folders. Then you just want to scroll down until you get to the bottom. And on the bottom, locate the hidden folder or hidden category. Click on it once. And then focus on the Face ID to authenticate your Face ID. Once your Face ID is authenticated, then you have access to all the hidden apps here. You can see I have 3 applications hidden from my iPhone home screen. If I come here and I search for Instagram, you can see that the Instagram is not available on the top 8 or spotlight search. And if I search for Facebook, the same thing is applicable because they are all hidden and they are available in the hidden folder. So I can just go to the app library, click on hidden, confirm my Face ID, then have access to all this application. Now to get the application back or restore them back to the app screen, just need to press and hold them and tap don't require. So repeat this on all the hidden applications on your iPhone. So once you press and hold and tap don't require Face ID, this application will be taken back to the app library. Now to bring the app back to your iPhone home screen, just press and hold the application again, click on add to home screen, then choose the application added to your home screen. Go back, repeat this on all the application you added from the hidden app, then press and hold the application and head them back to the home screen. Then you can also come to the app library, search for the name of the application, press and hold it, and then tap add to home screen. Then the application will be added to your home screen accordingly. So that is basically how to find hidden apps on iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.